Hi, okay, so I want to do just a really fast video about how to do this over again, okay? So this is decimal models and form. Now, we will go over this paper together in class tomorrow in part, but just in case you need to watch it over again or show it to your parents, or you miss class on Tuesday, um, then this video is here to help you, okay? So on this front part, we're going to be there's decimal models that are shown over here with some shading in there, and I didn't shade it fully, but I think you can get the gist of how many pieces are shaded. I wanted you to be able to see the borders, the outlines, in case you're counting that. I like to count the pieces that are missing. I know that in this model, those are those big sticks there. Those are 10 of them. And if you're not confident of that, you could recount. Those are 10 pieces cut into that square. So those are tenths. And I have 8 of them left over. So that means I have 2 of them shaded. And if I look over there, I can see that there's 2 shaded. So that will go here. Now, I was thinking that you could type in there, you guys, and in fact, that's how I wrote the directions. Word form, either typed or as an audio comment. You can't type. You can handwrite, though. There's plenty of room to do that in there. Handwrite, even if you're not using a handy dandy tool like this and writing on your screen, you can still do this with your finger. And I'm going to show you that, okay? So I'm going to turn on my drawing thing. Let's put on my by black. I'm going to put it at a 2 point. Okay, so the amount written as a ratio, that's 2 out of 10. Okay, and that's with a touch screen, but with my mouse written as a fraction, that would be 2. And you got to go kind of slow. Then you put a line, and a 10 is at the bottom. And just go slow, and you'll get better at that using your mouse to draw. Okay, it's kind of like using an Etch-a-Sketch. You can do that. Now, writing that as a decimal, we want that 2 to be in the tenths place. Remember, the tenths place is right next to the decimal point. So I want the 0 in the front. That's the ones place. There's my decimal point, and there's my 2. Okay, so my word form, I can write it as 2. Now my smallest piece, I don't have hundredths, nope, or thousands shaded, I only have tenths. So I can type that, or write that, I'm sorry, as 2 tenths. If you don't want to write this part, because there's lots more writing involved here and that can kind of be a pain, you can do your audio comment and turn on your audio comment like this, not that one, this one, voice comment. Click near here. You're not going to be able to click anywhere in this box. You can click right next to the box, like maybe click right over there, and then do your your audio comment and say 2 tenths, 2 tenths. That would be that. Okay. Now I'm going to show you another one. Okay. Here's this one. Now here, I see way more pieces in my model this time. Okay, this is still one square. So it's one big square. Remember, we imagined one candy bar cut into this many pieces. So we're still looking at decimals, and this is 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 out of 100. So I could write 5 out of 100. And this is with a 2 weight, Okay, that's how thick my line is. You could experiment with a 1 and see if that is even better. Okay, let's try that. Written as a fraction, that would be 5 out of, I do actually like that. It's kind of as thick as a pencil, out of 100. See that? Written as a decimal, that is 0.05. Look at that, it moves over. All right. And that would be, as my audio comment would go in, 5 hundredths this time, 5 hundredths. Okay.